Hey guys! So, for those of you that have been to my channel before, you probably know just how much I love sockless male shoeplay. But it's not only how it looks, there's also a very specific sound that I also love. Enjoy!
Now these shoes were made to be worn without socks. Listen. Hear that? That suction noise? Yeah. Tight grip around that foot. You ain't getting a sock on this shoe. Hear that? That suction noise? Yeah. Tight grip around that foot. You ain't getting a sock on this shoe. They're made to stick your feet directly in. Listen. Yeah, hear that? Yeah. Listen. Yeah, hear that? Yeah. Perfectly scented feet. Ready for someone's nose. Or their naked body.
That might need to be censored.
Any takers?